So what happens if an appraisal comes in low when you're trying to buy a house? Almost every time you're buying a house and you're using a mortgage, the bank is going to require an appraisal to be done. The reason for this is maybe you're putting 20% down and the bank's putting 80% down. So the bank has a lot of money tied up in this property too. And if you stop making your payments, it's going to become the bank's problem to get the property sold. They want to make sure that you haven't agreed to pay way more than the house is actually worth. So if you've negotiated with the sellers and you've agreed that you're going to buy this house for $400,000, the bank needs to make sure it's actually worth $400,000. Now, if the appraisal comes in at $390,000, so it came in below value, you have a few different options. You can ask the seller to come down to $390,000 on their purchase price. You can meet somewhere in the middle, but that's additional cash that you're going to have to come up with on top of your closing costs and down payment. Or in a really hot market, you might end up paying the full $400,000 even though it came in at $390,000, and that means you'd have to come in with an additional $10,000 on top of your down payment and closing cost assistance.